It's the beginning of the season and we're just done with summer. We flew into Sydney yesterday and we spent a day there just skating and checking the city. I asked Zach, Hale and Ethan Dice to join me. Zach and Ethan together are like two brothers that are not brothers, but just the fact that they spend so much time together, they act completely like brothers.
I'm kind of forced to snowboard with him. So
I was waiting for you to say that. I'm obviously the smart one, and he's obviously the ugly one. You can't even make a flight. Let's be honest here. I'm talking.
Yeah, but you gotta make it cooler.
You've spoken too.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Life's
a Grilosode.
Just being around them is like a show, and you actually don't really need to talk or do anything. You just absorb what they're doing, and I think those guys have something that not many people have together, and it's pretty sick to just bring them along. Usually everybody that goes snowboarding in July and August goes down south. Like on the southern hemisphere, it's winter, so there's snow. They have insane parks, so that's how always we usually start our year.
Sit still, never had the skills, always finding trouble, always looking for the thrill. 'Cause I had to move, always something to prove, chasing all the girls while the parents disapprove. And I think it's fun, always on the run, looking out for trouble, looking out for number one. 'Cause nothing's gonna hold me down. Oh, let me loose, I said nothing's gonna hold me down. Can't catch me running again. Oh, yeah.
Really seems pretty fun though.
Can't catch me running again. Burning through some gears, I made a lot of money, then I watched it disappear. Hey, I'm living fast, always living free. Never let them women get their hooks into me. 'Cause I'm on my own, rebel to the bone. Watch them try, but
Woo! Perish your baby, this place is insane.
Girl, we've got tonight and we sure gonna raise hell. 'Cause nothing's gonna hold me down. Oh, let me loose. I said nothing's gonna hold me down. Yeah, can't catch me running again. Yeah. So listen up now. If I get knocked down, back up again. Dust myself right off, get back on my throne. Whoa. I'll knock back one more drink and I'm on my way. 'Cause girl, I'm gone. Yeah, I said, girl, I'm gone. Yeah, 'cause girl, I'm gone.
We're gonna have a sunrise shoot. We never had that on the Grilosodes because we never wake up that early.
Nothing's gonna hold me down. Oh yeah, let me loose. I said nothing's gonna hold me down. Oh yeah, so let me loose. I said nothing's gonna hold me down. Oh yeah, don't even try. I said nothing's gonna hold me down. Can't catch me running.